Do you wake up with shoulder pain? Then you may be sleeping in a way that is making your shoulder problems worse. Today I will show you 3 sleeping positions that will reduce shoulder pain and improve the quality of your sleep. Our shoulder joint is very delicate and sensitive. If it is stressed or not aligned properly, it is normal to feel pain, especially when someone inadvertently sleeps on the affected shoulder. Blood circulation decreases and pain increases. First position, sleeping on your back. In this position, place a pillow under each arm. This will keep the shoulder straight and relieve pressure. If you are used to sleeping on your side, create a tunnel under your chest with a small pillow. This will put weight on your chest and ribs instead of putting pressure on your shoulder. Now, suppose you have pain in your left shoulder and you are lying on your right shoulder. This causes the left shoulder to hang down and the shoulder joint to rotate inward, resulting in increased pain. Bonus tip: placing a small pillow between your knees will help keep your body in alignment. And if you can sleep with a pillow on your back and lean back slightly, your shoulders will be more comfortable. If you don't sleep well, your body won't recover. How was your sleep experience? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Sweet dreams. Stay healthy, stay well. Your health is your real wealth, so take care of yourself. See you in a new video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them.